Okay, so next example is Na3AgH2O3 twice. So it is the ionic complex. Na3 is the cation and the complex is here anionic. Okay, so when complex is anionic, we start the name from cationic part, and here cation is the sodium. So start from sodium, then write the name of complex. आता कॉम्प्लेक्सचं नाव लिहायचे. आता कॉम्प्लेक्समध्ये लिगॅन कोण आहे H2O3 आणि H2O3 ला म्हणतात थायोसल्फेटो. ओके, थायोसल्फेट, थायोसल्फेटो. हाऊ मेनी? 2. सो diethiosulfato, the Ag is the silver, but complex part is anionic, that means silver considered as a argentate. Okay, what is oxidation state? Here each thiosulfate group shows -2. Here how many? 2. So here first of all we consider as a 0. Each H2O3 shows -2. So -2 into 2, here is a -4. -2 into 2 plus X for silver, and here for sodium is the alkali metal. So alkali metal has +1 oxidation state. There are 3 sodium ions. So here is a +3. So overall +3, here is the X plus -4 is equal to 0. So here X is equal to +1. So oxidation state is 1. Oxidation state is 1. In second case, it is the neutral complex, neutral compound. So here the coordination number is 4. Here is the coordination number again 4. So silver lead shows 4 coordination number, platinum shows 4 plus 6, 4 as well as 6 coordination number. So coordination number is 4. It is the neutral complex. So in neutral complex, we start the name of complex from complex. This is the complex part. In complex, there are 2 types of ligand. One is Cl, another is amine. There are 2 Cl, there are 2 amines. So we use here prefixes. For 2 we use the di. So chloro is the negative ligand, NH3 is the positive ligand. We write the negative first, then write the positive, and then write the name of metal. So here negative, it is a dichloro, diamine, dichloro, diamine. Here Pb, Pb means it is a lead. What is oxidation state? Here we consider oxidation state 0. Each Cl shows -1. So there are 2 Cl, that means here is a -2 charge. There is a neutral for NH3. X considered for the lead. So X plus -2 is equal to 0. That means X is equal to +2. X is equal to +2. So 2 is the oxidation state. The another example is considered here. NH4 Cr, NH3 twice, CnS4, CnS4. Okay. So it is SCN or CNS. So basically carbon is not attached. Here is the attached sulfur or either sulfur or nitrogen. So nitrogen is closer to the metal, that means nitrogen is donor. Sometimes we use NCS. Okay, so nitrogen is attached as compared to sulfur, and when write SCN, sulfur is attached. When write NCS or CNS, that time nitrogen is attached. So it is the link point of attachment. So here NH4 is the cation, so complex is anionic. When complex is anionic, write the name of cation first. So here cation is ammonium. Then come on complex part. In complex part there are 2 types of ligands. One is CNS, another is NH3. CNS is negative ligand, NH3 is positive. So write the negative first. So here is the negative. So here is a 4, that means we use prefix tetra. And what is the CNS means? It is an isothiocyanate group. So tetra isothio cyanato. What is the point of attachment? Nitrogen is attached, not a sulfur. So nitrogen is attached here, N. Then write the name of metal. But before that, there is another ligand is remaining. Which is another ligand? Here is the amine. And how many? There are two. So diamine. Then chromium. So if the complex part is anionic, that means negative metal change their name by adding the ATE. So chromium converts into chromate. So here is chromate. What is the oxidation state in given? So you consider here 0. CNS is negative ligand. 4 CNS make -4 charge. NH3 is neutral, so there is a 0 charge. For chromium, we consider X. For NH4, it is a +1. So +1 X -4. So X is equal to just, it is a +3. X is equal to +3. आता मॅथमॅटिकल नसेल तर हे बघा -4 चार्ज आहे, -1 ऑलरेडी प्रेझेंट आहे, न्यूट्रलाइज करायचं 0 करायचं म्हणजे इथे कितीची गरज असेल? +3 ची गरज असेल. सो +3 +1 +4 -4 0. So oxidation state is third. Oxidation state is third. आता बघा, गिवन बुक मध्ये असं एक एक्झाम्पल आहे. आता हे एक्झाम्पल रॉंग आहे, कारण की इथं टॉईस दिलेला आहे आणि इथं सल्फेट आहे, एकच अनायन आहे. सो डिफिकल्ट आहे की ही प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक आहे. हा 2 इथं नाहीच आहे, हा 2 इथं कन्सिडरच केलेला नाही आहे किंवा नसायलाच पाहिजे. जस्ट सिम्पल एक्झाम्पल असं दिलेलं आहे. इथं टॉईस जर असतं तर ते पॉलिन्युक्लिअर कंपाऊंड झालं असतं, पण पॉलिन्युक्लिअरमध्ये पण मग ते पॉलिन्युक्लिअर कॉम्प्लेक्स असं डायरेक्टली देत नाही, तर तिथं दोघं मेटलच्या मध्ये एक ब्रिजिंग लिगॅन्ड्स दिलेले असतात. इथं ब्रिजिंग लिगॅन्ड दिलेले नाही आहेत किंवा ब्रिजिंग फॉर्ममध्ये रिप्रेझेंटेशन केलेलं नाही आहे. सो हे जे टॉईस आहे हे कन्सिडर करायचं नाही, जस्ट प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक एक तर. सो नंबर ऑफ एक्झाम्पल्समध्ये टायपिंग मिस्टेक असतात, काही एक्झाम्पल्स रॉंग आहे हे पण ओळखता आलं पाहिजे. ओके, सिम्पल एक्झाम्पल असं दिलेलं असेल तर हे सॉल्व करता येईल आपल्याला. सो जस्ट हेअर इज द anion, here is the cation. So complex is cationic, so start the name from cationic part. So if we start the name from cationic, we in cation, in complex we start from ligand. So ligand is NH3. So hexa amine cobalt, second sulfate. Hexaamine cobalt, oxidation state here is the -2. So 0, that means X is equal to +2. So oxidation state is second. So hexaamine cobalt second sulfate is the name. So remaining problem you solve all the problems, and it is just exercise for you to solve all the questions which are in exercise, write on page and send it in Google Classroom. I check it each example and then giving the marks to you. Okay, so जेवढे एक्झाम्पल्स असतील तेवढे आउट ऑफ तुम्हाला ते मार्क्स असतील. म्हणजे ॲटलिस्ट मी तुम्हाला लिस्ट तयार करून गुगल क्लासरूमला सेंड करेल, तुम्ही ती सॉल्व करायची आहेत आणि जेवढे तुम्हाला सॉल्व करता येतील ते जे डिफिकल्टीज असतील ते आपण मग एखाद्या लेक्चरला आपण ते डिस्कस करूया. ओके, दिस इज अनदर क्वेश्चन. द नेम इज गिवन टू यू. The name is given to you and write the molecular formula. Write the molecular formula. So if name is given, how write the molecular formula? So I write here first name, dibromo tetraamine, dibromo tetraamine ruthenium, the symbol is Ru, ruthenium, third nitrate. Okay, so name is given. How write the formula, molecular formula of given name? So first of all, see, after oxidation state, is it anion is there? So that means complex part is cationic. Okay, so write this anion first and write the complex. This one write the complex. So just write complex. Okay, this one is the complex. Here is a nitrate. Nitrate means NO3. Nitrate means NO3. Okay, so this is the total, this whole name coming from the complex part. So in complex, see, here is the metal, it is a ruthenium. So in complex, we write the metal first, Ru, okay, it is finished. Then the remaining part, here is a dibromo, means Br2 is there, tetraamine means NH3, 4, okay. So NH3 4, then Br. So when we write this complex, after the metal, write the negative ligand, neutral ligands. So who is the neutral? NH3 is neutral. So NH3 4. Then write negative ligands. Okay. So in negative, write if there are 2 or more, you can write the negative ligand alphabetically, first bromo, first chloro, whatever. If more than, so here you can write anyway, but after the metal, write negative neutral first, then write the all negative ligands. The negative ligand is Br2. Okay, what is oxidation state? Oxidation state is given third. So Br2 shows -1 charge. So how many Br2? 2 Br2. It is coming from -3 charge from both the Br2, and nitrate shows 1. So there is the -1 plus -2 plus 0 plus x. So x plus -3 is equal to 0, means x is equal to plus 3. So here there is only single NO3 is present. If oxidation state is given 4, here given 4, only 2 is the present, -2 charge present in bracket. So outside the bracket we need the -2 charge, again remaining more -2 charge. So we consider here 2 NO3. So how many cations and anions present? First of all, calculate how many charge present here, the remaining charge balance from outside of the complex. So it is just NO3. Second example is chloro aquo bis ethylene diamine rhodium, third chloride. See, after oxidation state, there is something is present, that means anion is present, complex is cationic. So we write just complex part, square bracket. After that there is a chloride, so Cl is mentioned. How many number of Cls we can balance using oxidation state? Okay, here is so write the name of metal first, rhodium, so Rh, rhodium. Okay, ethylene diamine. So see how many types of ligands are there. Chloro, Cl is present, aquo means H2 is present, and here ethylene diamine, En is present. But how many Ens are present? The bis means 2. Okay, so here 2 ethylene diamines are present. So write the negative ligand, neutral ligand first. Who is neutral? Ethylene diamine. So En2. Then here is the H2O, then Cl, then Cl. Just important is write neutral here, another neutral, then negative. Okay, if the order is changed here, there is no any change, त्याचा काही इफेक्ट नाही होणार. पण निगेटिव्ह इथं नका लिहू, निगेटिव्ह नंतर लिहा, लास्टला आधी न्यूट्रल लिहायचे. ओके, सो व्हॉट इज ऑक्सिडेशन स्टेट? -3. In complex, how many negative charge? In complex there is a -1 charge, neutral, neutral. So if consider +3, because already given to you, if rhodium has +3 oxidation state, in a complex part only -1, so we need the -2 charge outside of the complex. But here only one Cl is right, that means we need another Cl, so we can write Cl2. So that means -2, this one is -3, so -3 plus 3, always there is a 0. Okay, so it is all about this complex. The next example is calcium dioxalato, calcium dioxalato diamine diamine means NH3 cobaltate. Third, okay, so here there is no anion outside the oxidation state, but see here calcium is there, and you know calcium is metal, so cation is given, means here this is a part of complex, so complex, and cation is given calcium, that means complex is anionic, and how you identify? See here the cobaltate, that means complex is anionic. Okay, so calcium is right, we balance up to, at the end how many, depending on oxidation number, calcium shows +2 charge. Okay, it is alkaline earth metal. So which is the metal here? Cobalt is metal. Okay, cobalt. Then we have dioxalato diamine, so oxalato OX or C2O4. How many C2O4? 2 C2O4s is given because di. How many NH3s are given? 2 NH3s are given. So each C2O4 is a bidentate ligand, so 2 plus 2, 4 coordination number, 2 plus 2, 2 into 2, 4, these two coordination number is 6. Okay, so just write NH3 first because it is neutral, then C2O4 again twice. Okay, so balance the charge. What is oxidation state? 3. Here each oxalato shows -2 charge, so -4 charge is here. If -4 charge is here, so -4 is equal to 0 plus neutral, याची आपण x कन्सिडर करणार, याची काय आहे? कॅल्शियम +2. ऑक्सिडेशन स्टेट बरोबर दिली आहे का? dioxalato diamine cobaltate. Something wrong is given because of, if we see calcium shows +2, here is a -4, so using this it is +2 is expected, cobalt has +2, but the answer is given +3, so it is wrong. Why? Because if we multiply, if you consider here 2, so +4 -3, only because here is a -2 and it is a dioxalate is given, so here is a 2 is expected. If it is 2, the answer is correct, because calcium +2, cobalt shows +2, +2 +2 -4, +4 -4 is equal to 0. So sometime in question, if here is a alkali metal is given, then for example potassium or sodium or lithium, so that time 1 is possible, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 is -4 is equal to 0. So that time 3 is given, but for 2, if calcium is given, there 2 is expected, not a 3. If alkali metal is given here, that time 3 is right, because alkali metal shows 1 oxidation state, This 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 because in a complex we have only -4 charge because oxalato shows -2 and there each oxalato shows -2, 2 oxalato means -4 charge. So sometimes there is a number of mistakes in given nomenclature or in given formula. Before move to next, okay, so another example is sodium tetrahydroxoaluminate third. So here the sodium is given, means cation is given, so this is the cation and this is a part of anion. Okay, anion, it is a complex part. So write sodium first, Na. How many sodium? It will be balanced after the write all the oxidation states. Okay, so here which is the metal? Aluminate means aluminum is metal, Al. Tetra means 4, hydroxo means OH. So how many OH are given? 4 OH are given. So write OH 4. Okay, oxidation state is 3. So come here, there is a 0. Already oxidation state is given 3 plus sodium, each sodium has plus 1 plus each hydroxy group is -4, so it is a -4. It is balanced, yes. -4, there is a +4 is equal to 0. So there is no need to increase the number of sodium. Only one sodium is present. If oxidation state is given here 4, then sodium, the number is increases. Because oxidation state is 4 plus, here is the 4. So oxidation plus 4 is not possible because here only 4 hydroxy groups are there. So how to write? Just write anion or cation outside the square bracket. Write first, then write a square bracket, then write the name of metal, then write the name of ligands. If there is a two types of ligand, neutral and ligand, neutral come close to the metal, then write the negative ligands. Okay. The another example is given here. Octa amine mu amido mu hydroxo dicobalt third sulfate. Already mu word is there, that means it is a bridging ligand. Okay, so when there is a bridging ligand, first of all, here we are going to write bridging ligand. Sulfate is given, so SO4 you can write here SO4. We will balance after the right other part. So cobalt means here is a dicobalt. So 2 cobalts, you can write 2 cobalts. There is a 2 bridging signs are given, mu is given, that means 2 ligands, amido and hydroxo. Amido means NH2, hydroxo means OH. So first write bridging ligands, amido NH2, hydroxo OH. Okay, so the just remaining this part, octaamine. Octa means 8, amine means NH3, 8 amines. So 4 for first CO and 4 for another CO. So NH3, 4, NH3, 4. Okay, what is oxidation state? 3 oxidation state is given, means we need the +6 charge for both these. But in a complex, this shows -1, this shows -1, so -2 coming from this. We need the another -4. Sulfate is there, each sulfate shows -2. So -1, -1, -2. So only -4. We need the -6 because here is a 2 metals. Okay, so each metal shows +3. That means here +6 charge is present. So we need the -6. We here only -1, this -1, -2 and -2, -4. So just multiply here, one more CO4, SO4. So here there is a -4, this 2 -6 plus 6 is equal to 0. So here how many sulfates are present? It depends on oxidation number. last example, then we stop and we'll continue in next the remaining examples. Sulfato tetraamine, sulfato tetraamine cobalt, third iron. It is iron, so complex is anionic. So there is no anion or there is no cation, means just here this is the part, complex part. Ion is given, means here either positive charge or negative charge. We will balance after the write the remaining part. So cobalt is given, so cobalt is given. Sulfato means SO4, tetraamine means NH3 4. So these are the two species which are present in complex. So write neutral first, NH3 4, then write sulfate. Only one sulfate is present. So balance the oxidation state. Each sulfate shows -2 charge. Here is a +3 is given. So if there is a +3 already given to you, +0, here is a -2 plus from this. So what is the charge is here? Plus charge is here, because of it is the ion. So this is the correct representation of given name. So we stop here. So remaining example will solve in next lecture.